Hello everyone, we will show you how to control a TRM692G with a push button instead of a switch, which is the default setting. Enter into configuration mode by pressing CFG on the micro module. Push the down button. Press FCT until it flashes red, which is the down function. Press and hold FCT during 2 seconds to validate. Then wait until it stops flashing. You can do the same for the up function. Push the up button. Press FCT until it flashes green, which is the up function. Press and hold FCT during 2 seconds to validate. Then wait until it stops flashing. Then you can leave the configuration mode by pressing CFG. If you press and hold the up button, the up function will start. You can stop it with a short press. You can do the same with the down function.